Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down financial topics to help you take control of your money. Today, we're tackling how to remove delinquency from your credit report in 2025. If you've got late payments messing with your credit score, this step-by-step guide will show you how to clean it up and get back on track. First things first, what is delinquency? It's basically a record of missed payments on loans, credit cards, or bills, and it can stick around for up to 7 years, dragging down your score and making it harder to get loans or good interest rates. But the good news is, with some smart moves, especially with the new 2025 regulations, you can potentially remove it faster. Step 1. Start by getting a free copy of your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Do this at least once a year to spot any delinquencies or errors. Carefully review it for inaccuracies, like wrong dates or amounts, because mistakes happen more often than you think. Step 2. If you find an error, dispute it immediately. Write a letter or use the online portal from the credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Provide evidence, such as payment receipts, and they'll have to investigate within 30 days under the updated Fair Credit Reporting Act of 2025, which speeds up the process. Step 3. For legitimate delinquencies, pay off the debt as soon as possible. Once it's settled, send a goodwill letter to your creditor explaining your situation. They might remove the entry as a courtesy. Step 4. In 2025, new rules make it easier. For example, certain delinquencies related to economic hardships can be flagged for automatic review. Step 5. If removal isn't immediate, remember that time helps. Negative marks age off after 7 years. But build positive credit in the meantime by making on-time payments and keeping your balances low. Finally, if this feels overwhelming, consider a reputable credit repair service, but always do your research to avoid scams. By following these steps, you can improve your credit and open doors to better financial opportunities. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions.